Alrighty guys, what's going on? So today I'm going to be talking to you about the Radha Fractionated Coconut Oil. I use tons of different coconut products, coconut-based products for my face, skin, and just a number of other things, I think coconut, is just really healthy. It's a very natural way to kind of keep your skin, your hair, and your body just feeling really soft and rejuvenated. I spend a lot of time in the sun, a lot of time in the water, and so and we're talking like ocean water here, and my skin and hair just kind of, gets dried out very, very quickly. So it's nice to have something like coconut oil to, just help to healthily and organically treat that. Then I found this fractionated coconut oil, and this was a bit different. So, it's basically coconut oil that's gone through a distillation process and essentially brings all the good things out of it that you really need for your skin and hair. So I'll talk about the bottle first. I really like the design of this bottle. It's a 16 fluid ounce bottle, meaning you have tons of it. It's going to last you a very long time. I've had it for about a month now. I've only really used down to like here. Really don't need that much when you use it either, so if you're looking for something that can last you a long time, don't go and buy those tiny little bottles that are going to cost you a lot. You might as well just buy something a little bigger for less money, and it'll last you a long time in relativity. It's a nice dark blue bottle. I love that it's a very, very minimal design. I talk about that a lot with different products that I have. I love kind of like the minimal design, especially when you're looking at things that you're putting kind of in your bathroom and that they're up on display. It's nice to have something that doesn't have like a ton of like pictures on it or whatever. It's just like, it's very, very cool, very sleek and modern looking, and it's something to think about, I guess. It also comes with a pump. The pump it's great. I've never had an issue with it clogging up, and it really helps to get the perfect amount that you're going to need out of the bottle for using it. So that's cool. Alright, so then obviously there's the actual oil, and that's probably the most important thing. The oil is 100% pure, so you don't have any added fillers, which I'm all about that. I'm all about the natural, organic products that, I know exactly what's in the bottle, so that's really cool. There's no odor. That was the strange thing, I think, when I first used this that I didn't expect. You have the absence of the coconut smell that you're typically used to when you use coconut products, which is a little strange. Although, after using it a couple times, I kind of realized that I like the fact that it doesn't smell. Sometimes you don't want to leave the house smelling like coconut. You don't want to go to bed smelling like a dessert. So it's kind of nice to have something that doesn't have that smell. It's not greasy at all on my skin, which is cool. That's one of their big things. It is non-greasy, and it's true. You don't feel like, you have an extra layer of something that's on your skin, which is honestly perfect even for using it and then like leaving the house right away. You don't feel like your clothes are sticking to you or it's, nasty or anything. And then the cool thing also about fractionated coconut oil in particular is that it doesn't go rancid. So really you can keep this thing forever and you're going to be fine. It's not going to go bad. It's not going to lose its its use, I guess, which is really cool. And it's also great for this size of a bottle too, because there's no way you're going to use this all in the matter of like a month, unless you're really lathering it on or using it for the family. But that's another thing. In use, I typically use this when I get out of the shower. Kind of nice, keeps my skin feeling nice, moisturized, keeps the moisture in, and again, doesn't feel super greasy, which is great, especially after you're getting out of the shower. And I also use it in my hair quite often. Been using lots of coconut products in my hair just because, again, spending time in the salt water or in the pool, my hair can get dried out, and so it's cool for keeping it feeling really soft, healthy, and giving it shine. Especially if you're a guy with long hair or a girl with long hair, this is one of the best things for it. So yeah, Again, this is Radha Fractionated Coconut Oil. Some great stuff, some great organic product. And if you're looking for a way to make your skin and hair feel a lot healthier, I would absolutely recommend this. Alrighty guys, take it easy.